Welcome to this exploration of the intricate relationship between distinction and anti-distinction. We'll delve into the philosophical and scientific concepts that shape our understanding of reality, starting with the foundational ideas of Descartes. The journey begins with the concept of cogito ergo sum, or distinction, which evolves through opposition and anti-distinction. This philosophical framework leads us to contemplate the infinity of size and its implications for evolution. Reality is defined as that of which all is parts, highlighting the inherent distinction and anti-distinction. This perspective places us on the distinction side, where thinker and thought coexist, forming the basis of our understanding. The exploration of the infinity of size reveals two proofs that predict evolution's size. This leads to the discovery of the diagram, which sits in the present moment, embodying the essence of E equals mc squared and its connection to anti-distinction. The video aims to provide an overview of the 2024 state of science, compiled from 10,000 hours of lectures. It introduces new scientific innovations and vocabulary, fitting them into a universal structure. René Descartes' philosophy, cogito ergo sum, forms the foundation of this exploration. It asserts the certainty of existence through thought, distinguishing between thinker and thought as separate entities. Descartes' philosophy emphasizes the existence of distinctions which are separate entities. This video fast-tracks you through the overarching framework that arises from studying science for 10,000 hours. Anti-distinction is described as the shadow of a one, representing the unified whole of reality. This concept challenges the traditional understanding of distinctions, urging us to consider a singular reality. Reality is redefined as that of which all is parts, capturing both distinction and anti-distinction. This definition emphasizes the singular nature of reality, contrasting with the plural distinctions identified by Descartes. The concept of anti-distinction emerged during the study of Einstein's E equals mc squared. This equation unifies energy and mass with space-time, paralleling the relationship between distinction and anti-distinction. Energy, mass, and space-time are unified in E equals mc squared, representing the anti-distinct nature of reality. This concept challenges our perception, as it remains transparent yet encompasses the entirety of existence. The video combines Descartes' cogito with Einstein's EAmc squared, merging philosophical and scientific insights. This synthesis highlights the interconnectedness of distinction and anti-distinction in understanding reality. The size range, or range of sizes, exists between thinker and thought. It represents the infinite spectrum of sizes from small to large that forms the foundation of our existence. Schools teach us to zoom in from cosmology and zoom out from the quantum, exploring the infinite size range. This concept connects the internal and external worlds, emphasizing the continuity of size. Energy mass exists within spacetime, forming a single anti-distinct entity. This concept challenges our understanding of reality, as it remains unobservable yet encompasses the entirety of existence. The infinite size range provides a reason for our existence within the vast scope of reality. It represents the continuous spectrum of energy, mass, space-time, highlighting the interconnectedness of all things. The course explores the unbroken path of logic from Descartes' cogito to the infinite size range. This philosophical journey reveals the interconnectedness of distinction and anti-distinction in understanding reality. The new words introduced include the definition of reality as that of which all is parts, anti-distinction, energy, mass, spacetime, and the infinite size range. These concepts challenge traditional scientific and philosophical perspectives. Two proofs for the infinity of the size range emerge from the logic of cogito. These proofs are, even an infinite representation wouldn't be anti-distinction, because representation is distinction. The second proof is that there are no boundaries or borders in anti-distinction, making the size range infinite. The video concludes with the question of authorship and the nature of the diagram. Did that which the diagram describes right? Is it of authorship-kind nature? This exploration of distinction and anti-distinction offers a new perspective on reality. By combining philosophical and scientific insights, we gain a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all things. Thank you for joining this journey through the realms of distinction and anti-distinction and the infinite size range. We hope this exploration has provided valuable insights into the nature of reality and questions about whether it wrote or is of authorship-kind nature. More on www.sizerange.com.